And this next song we'd like to dedicate to our late and beloved grandmother. She passed away last week and we loved her very much. So this is You Raise Me Up. And I am down and oh my soul so weary. When troubles come and my heart burdened be, and I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. There is no life without its hunger. Each restless heart beats so